Hi there students. In this video I'm going to look at phrasal verbs with lock, to lock as in a key. To start with, to lock away. So if you lock someone away, you put them in prison. Yeah? He should be locked away for 20 years for the crimes he committed. Yeah? He was locked away for life after killing those children. You can also use this to mean to put somebody in a mental asylum. Yeah, a mental home, not with the option to leave. So he's crazy, he ought to be locked away. Yeah, to lock away, to put somebody in a secure place so they can't get out. You can also lock yourself away, yeah, to make yourself inaccessible. So for example, in the 3 weeks before the exams, I locked myself away and just studied. Yeah, so to live a secluded life, not answering your phone, not answering the door, things like this, to concentrate on something. Okay, so he locked himself away and refused to come out because he was terribly shy. Okay, to lock down. Well, first meaning of to lock down is to make very secure. The thieves stole everything that wasn't locked down, okay, everything that was easy to steal. Yeah, if you lock something down, you make it difficult for people to get access to it. Yeah, you ought to lock down your possessions. Also, to lock down, we all know this, the meaning of this one. This is the verb of the moment, to restrict people's movements, to stop a disease from spreading. So the whole of the country was locked down for 3 months. Yeah, shops and businesses were closed. Nobody could leave their home. Yeah, you know all about lockdown as a phrasal noun as well. Okay, so to lock down. To lock in, well, you could lock somebody in, so you lock them in so that they can't leave a place. The mother locked the child in the room until he was sorry. And then notice you can lock something into a contract. For example, you make it part of a contract. So yeah, I made a contract with a mobile phone company, and I was locked into that price for 3 years. Okay, so you're locked into it. You can't actually leave it. The price is locked in. You need to lock this clause into the contract. Okay, so to lock in, yeah, to stop somebody leaving as well. And that's the idea of locked in a contract. Yeah, to commit somebody in a way that they can't leave. Yeah, so you're locked into this subscription for a year. To lock onto, to locate a target and go directly for it. The missile locked onto the tank. Yeah. He locked onto me and made his way directly for me. So to notice and head directly towards, to go directly towards. Okay, so yeah, to lock onto somebody, inseparable. To lock out, okay, literally to lock the door so that somebody can't come in. Have you ever lost your keys and been locked out of your house? It's a horrible situation. If you're locked out, then you have to call a locksmith. I was locked out, intransitive, locked out of, also intransitive, but with an indirect object. And you can lock somebody out, yeah? Also, a lockout is where the employers close the workplace to stop the workers from coming into work, and that's a lockout. Okay, to lock up, to close all the doors and windows. Before you go to bed, make sure you lock up. Yeah, when it's time to close the shop, make sure everything is locked up. You could also lock up your valuables. You lock up your money in the safe to put something in a safe place. And also, locked away, somebody should be locked away. He should be locked up, yeah? Either put in prison or in a mental hospital. And that's it. So, to lock away, yeah, to put in prison, to lock yourself away, to separate yourself from society, to lock down, to make something very secure, lock down, to stop a disease from spreading, to lock in, to literally lock somebody in a place so that they can't get out, or to commit somebody to something in a way that they can't actually leave, particularly through a contract, to lock onto, to find, to target, and then go directly for, to lock out, to not be able to get in. Yeah, I was locked out, or my mum locked me out because I was drunk. Yeah, and then a lockout in the workplace where the owners lock the doors and they stop the people going into work. And then to lock up, well, lock up your house, make sure everything is shut and safe. And then you could lock up your valuables, put them in a safe place. And then you lock somebody up in a mental hospital or in a prison. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lock. Lock away, lock in, lock into, lock up, lock down, lock out, lock onto, lock into. Bye for now.